If saying hey Google doesn't open Gemini like this one, and instead you get a message that another app is using Gemini and can't open right now, then let us see what to do. The first thing is we will check which apps have currently used your microphone. So go to settings here, then we will go to security and privacy, go to more privacy settings, and then we will look for permission manager and go to microphone. Here you will see the applications that can use microphone, and you will see those applications that have currently used your microphone. For example, Google, Messenger, Telegram, etc. So they have currently used the microphone. So what you do is disable microphone access for this app by going inside the app and select don't allow, and then don't allow anyway. Similarly, do this for all the applications that have currently used microphone, and then check if Gemini can work now or not. The next thing is, if you are using Samsung device, then Bixby voice assistant might be conflicting with Gemini. So what you do is go to settings here, and from this search box we will look for Bixby. Go to Bixby settings, go to voice registration, disable Bixby. The other thing that we'll do is we will disconnect Bluetooth device temporarily and check if Gemini works or not. So open the notification panel, turn off Bluetooth, and then disable Bluetooth. After this one, check if Gemini works with voice command or not. Now the other thing that we will do is we will clear cache files for Google application and Gemini app both. Go to settings here, go to apps, and we will look for Gemini. Open it, go to this option storage, select clear cache. Just clear the cache files only. Again we will go back to apps and we will look for Google also, and we will go to storage. We will select cache files for Google app also. We will go back and we will go to permissions here and go to microphone, and we will make sure that microphone permission for Google app is also enabled. Now the last thing that we will do is, when you are in this apps list, we will tap on these three dotted icons here and then tap on this option reset app preferences and select reset. So what does this do is, if you have customized applications to use certain things, then all those customizations will be removed. All the applications will go back to the default state, and then restart your phone and then check if Gemini can use voice command now or not. But when you reset the app preferences, then the customizations for all the applications will be removed. So you have to consider that thing first.